Hi, welcome to Nina in the Kitchen. This is tips and tricks, and the tip I wanted to show you today, or trick, is how to fit a piece of parchment paper so that it will fit the bottom of a cake pan, tart pan, springform pan, what have you. What I do is I turn the pan upside down and cut a piece of parchment so that I know it will fit the bottom of the pan. Fold it in half lengthwise, and then fold it in half again. Now you have one half that's folded, this half is open. So you take that open end, take the bottom of it, and you bring it up to the folded end. So the open end goes to the middle, to the fold. And then you just need to fold it one more time. You can do it more if you like, but that's not necessary. Then what you do is just go right to the middle of your pan and just cut and this will fit your cake pan every time. And it's much easier to do that than it is to put this on a piece of paper, trace it, and then cut around. Very simple. So I hope this has helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Come back for more stuff. Bye, guys.